You know, my father would kill me if he knew I was out with a boy tonight. I told him I was going to church.
The Lord is good.
We all the same. Oh, hey, man, wait a minute. Okay, you gonna kill me? All right, if you gonna kill me, put the gun down and fight me like a man. That's right, fight me like a man. Shit, anybody can shoot somebody. That's what I'm talking about.
And the battle begins. Oh, my worthy opponent, are you prepared to ping the paw?
I am prepared, young gentleman.
If you push this button, two things will happen. One, someone somewhere in the world who you don't know will die. And two, you didn't let me finish.
Sorry.
Someone somewhere in the world will die.
Got it.
Don't hit it again.